Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The error code B1E68 refers to a misalignment of the right side blind spot information, BSI, radar unit. This component plays a crucial role in ensuring the lane change assistance and monitoring systems in the Honda Accord function effectively. The BSI radar unit is typically located near the vehicle's rear bumper, on the right side, where it is responsible for detecting objects in the vehicle's blind spots. An azimuth misalignment indicates that the radar beam, which operates similarly to a sonar signal, is not properly aligned, leading to potential safety concerns such as failure to detect vehicles nearby. The BSI system requires precise calibration and alignment to function optimally. Any deviation may activate this error code, signaling a malfunction in the radar unit's operation. It is essential to address this error promptly to maintain overall vehicle safety and performance, especially in modern driving assistance systems. The right side blind spot information radar unit is activated during driving to monitor the surrounding environment, specifically looking for vehicles in the driver's blind spots. This radar unit uses electromagnetic waves to detect nearby objects, sending signals back to the vehicle's onboard computer to help enhance driving safety. Located on the right side of the vehicle, near the rear bumper, the radar's performance is critical in supporting features such as lane change assist and collision warnings. Any misalignment can lead to the malfunction of these systems, causing the DTC code B1E68 to be triggered. Situations such as abnormal mounting conditions due to impacts or improper installation could cause the radar's beam axis to become distorted. Therefore, a proper inspection and alignment are vital for this component to ensure it functions according to Honda's engineering specifications. The primary causes of DTC B1E68 include improper installation of the right side BSI radar unit, which affects its alignment and functionality. If the unit or its mounting bracket has been physically damaged, it can alter how the radar operates. Factors such as vehicle suspension modifications, incorrect tire sizes, or incorrect tire pressures may also hinder the system's ability to correctly interpret signals, thus leading to the misalignment error. These issues prevent the radar unit from adequately scanning the environment, which is essential in providing reliable data to the ECM engine control module. It's important to check for physical damage and ensure that all components are in their designated positions following the manufacturer's guidelines. Moreover, any adjustment should be meticulously calibrated to restore the performance of the radar unit. When the DTC B1E68 is triggered, drivers may notice immediate symptoms related to the failure of the blind spot information system. The most apparent sign is the malfunction of the blind spot monitoring function itself. It may not activate or may give false readings. Drivers can also see dashboard warning lights indicating a fault in the radar system, which could lead to confusion or reliance on less effective safety methods. Furthermore, the inability of the radar to accurately detect vehicles in adjacent lanes can create hazardous situations when changing lanes or merging. In severe cases, these symptoms can lead to driver frustration and diminished trust in the vehicle's advanced safety features, thereby underlining the importance of addressing this error code urgently. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1E68 involves thoroughly checking the installation of the right side BSI radar unit and its bracket. This includes visually inspecting for any signs of deformation or damage, which can lead to improper alignment and performance. It's essential to ensure that these components are secured in place without any physical abnormalities that might have occurred during installation or as a result of a collision. If the installation appears intact, the next steps will involve more detailed inspections, ensuring that everything meets Honda's specifications. If this installation check reveals abnormal conditions, those must be rectified before proceeding further in troubleshooting. After identifying any issues, always document the findings, as these will be crucial in determining whether the radar needs to be replaced or realigned. After checking the radar unit installation, the second step for troubleshooting the B1E68 involves resetting the learning value of the BSI radar unit using the HDS Honda Diagnostics system. Once completed, clear the DTCs stored in the system, which should also ideally reset any flags that were previously activated due to the misalignment. Following this, it's crucial to turn the vehicle to the off, lock, mode and then back to on mode to finalize the reset process. This procedure helps refresh the system's calibration and allows it to recalibrate the radar's output. It is a standard protocol that ensures any temporary faults are addressed, thus minimizing the chances of a false alarm. Following this, monitoring the system for any recurring codes will indicate whether the problem persists or if further action is required to troubleshoot the right side BSI radar unit. In this step, turn the vehicle to the on mode and allow it to sit for at least 5 seconds. This process is essential to enable all systems, including the BSI radar unit, to initialize properly. During this time, the system will attempt to recognize any existing faults and recalibrate as needed. It is during this phase that diagnostic information can be aggregated, which may validate or deny the effective resolution of the previously noted DTC. If the error code does not clear and instead remains active, this may indicate an underlying failure in the right side radar unit itself. Monitoring the response at this stage allows the technician to establish whether additional inspection or component replacement is necessary, ensuring comprehensive troubleshooting of the BSI radar unit. After completing all necessary repairs and alignments, performing a final diagnostic test is crucial to verify that the DTC B1E68 has been successfully resolved. This entails checking if any error codes remain and ensuring that the system responds correctly without activating any fault indicators. Clearing the DTCs alone is insufficient. One must ensure that the underlying cause has been addressed. Following the diagnostic verification, a thorough road test should be conducted to confirm that the radar unit is functioning optimally under actual driving conditions. It is during this road test that the system should be put through situations that would test its capabilities, ensuring that blind spot monitoring operates seamlessly. Verification steps are vital, as they confirm both the integrity and reliability of the updates made to the system. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B1E68, regular maintenance of the BSI radar unit is essential. This involves a periodic inspection of the radar unit itself, including its mounting, to ensure everything is intact and secure. Maintaining proper tire pressures and ensuring that all tires are of the correct size according to manufacturer specifications play a critical role in the correct functioning of the vehicle's safety systems. Vehicle suspension must also remain in its factory condition, as any modifications or wear can alter the radar's performance. By adhering to these preventive measures, vehicle owners can minimize the risk of misalignment in the BSI radar unit, ensuring a safer driving experience and preserving the functionality of the advanced safety features provided by the Honda Accord. In summary, DTC B1E68 indicates an important fault within the right side blind spot information radar unit related to misalignment. Understanding the role of the radar and the potential causes of the misalignment is crucial for resolving this issue effectively. Ensuring correct installation and maintenance is vital in preventing the recurrence of such issues. Adhering to Honda's guidelines and performing regular inspections can greatly enhance not just the functionality of the vehicle's safety features, but also ensure the safety of all occupants. By taking a proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, owners can appreciate the many benefits that modern safety technologies offer while driving. It reinforces the need to address any technical difficulties promptly, emphasizing safety as a priority in all driving conditions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.